Hi! In this video, we're going to be learning more about the look blocks and what we can do with them. Today I have two different sprites with me, Tara and Pico, because we're going to be learning about our say blocks and our think blocks. So I thought it would be fun to try to have these two sprites have some conversation. As you'll see, these are the first four blocks you see under look blocks for any sprite. If you're clicking the stage, you'll notice they don't have any say or think blocks because, of course, a background generally doesn't talk or think. There are two different types of say blocks and two different types of think blocks. The difference is one has this 4, 2 or however many seconds, and one does not. They always default to hello. So you'll notice here when I click it, it just pops up and says hello. But I can actually change it to say whatever I want it to. So we'll say my name is Pico. And maybe I put in something that takes a really long time to read. So if I put in something that's really long, 2 seconds may not be enough to get through it all. So I can also go ahead and change the amount of time it's up for. To be or not to be, that is the question, or at least it was for Hamlet. Here, where it just says hello, if I put that instead, it's going to stay up forever because it does not have any time limitations. So it'll stay up until we put the next block into effect. The difference between your say and think blocks is the type of bubble the words come in. You'll notice here that your say blocks come in talking bubbles just like they do in the newspaper comics. But if I have a think block, it shows up in a thinking bubble. If I want to have a conversation happening between these two sprites, I'm also going to use one other type of block that's not a look block. It's over here in the tan ones called control blocks. And it is a wait block. Let's say I want Pico to say, my name is Pico for 2 seconds. And then he's going to say, what's your name? I don't need to use a wait block between these two because it has the built-in time limits right here. So he's going to say, my name is Pico for 2 seconds, and then say, what's your name for 2 seconds. If I want my Tara to answer, and I'll also start here with my event when clicked, and Tara's going to answer, my name is Tara. But now when I go to press my green flag, you'll see there's something wrong. Oh, Tara answered before the question even happened. That's where these tan blocks, your control block, and specifically the wait block is going to come in handy. I need Tara to wait several seconds until Pico's asked the question. So I'm going to put that up so it happens first. It defaults to 1 second, but I don't think 1 second will be enough. In fact, I can go and double check how long it takes Pico to talk because we have the time right here. 2 seconds plus 2 seconds is a total of 4 seconds. So I'm going to go in and change that right there. So I know Tara's going to wait 4 seconds before she says something. Let's see if it works now. Oh, so they have a lovely little conversation there. I'm going to have Pico do one more thing, but he needs to wait until Tara's done talking. So let's double check. Tara talks for 2 seconds. So I'll need to put in a wait block right here for 2 seconds. And then I'm going to use my think block here. Instead of saying, he's going to think, what a nice name. Let's see what it looks like now. Well, there you have it. Your say blocks, your think blocks, and your wait blocks.